Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping we can change it. We can set actually 3 seconds delay. After tapping on it again, we've got the 10 seconds delay. Tap on it again and we've got the timer turned off. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay, and basically all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on this device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, depending which option you will use, 10 or 3 seconds delay, then your device will use the time accordingly. So basically you can of course turn off this option just by tapping on it, and if this clock icon will be crossed out, it means that it is turned off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.